What if we could transform any noisy space into a sanctuary of peace and well-being? Sound surrounds us. Hard surfaces, like normal walls, amplify sound, which contributes to the overstimulation of our brains. But with the right acoustic solutions, we can shape how sound moves, turning chaos into clarity. So, we started with walls and ceilings and used high-performance textiles that absorb and diffuse sound, reducing echoes and creating an environment where clarity, focus, and noiseless coexistence can thrive. From workspaces to homes, hotels to public buildings, Decor redefines how we experience our surroundings. Imagine an office without chatter, notification sounds, and footsteps. A restaurant in which the conversation of your neighbor doesn't overload your own. A hotel room in which you can have a real good night's sleep, despite your neighboring guests coming home at midnight. A school in which kids and teachers can calm down instead of feeling burned out. Sound shapes how we feel, and instead of being emotionally charged because of noise, we can create spaces that bring out our best human qualities.